Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure Windows is up to date and you have an admin account. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files. If that reports issues, follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Once done, create a restore point so you can roll back if needed. These steps fix many underlying file or image problems that prevent settings from launching, so do them first and don't skip verification of update status. Next, you handle application and service issues that block settings. Use PowerShell as admin to re-register the settings app and related AppX packages with commands like getapps package and addapps package. This restores missing package registrations. Then, check services for Windows Update, AppX deployment service, and background intelligent transfer service, and restart any stopped services. Once services are healthy, reset the settings app via the apps and features panel or PowerShell to clear corrupted state and allow normal launch behavior. To finish, isolate account problems. Create a new local admin user and test settings there. If it works, migrate data to that account. If not resolved, perform an in-place upgrade repair using the media creation tool to repair Windows without losing files. Make sure to try safe mode to see if third-party software blocks settings. If issues persist, record error messages or event viewer entries and use them when seeking help. This improves diagnostics and speeds up any additional repairs or support interactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.